Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unfreeze your account on FreeCash using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer, go to the FreeCash website and try logging in to your account. If your account is frozen, you will usually see a warning message or restriction notice. The next step is to contact FreeCash support. Scroll down to the bottom of the FreeCash website, click on Support or Help Center. Now click on Submit a ticket or Contact Support. In the support form, clearly explain your problem. Say that your account is frozen and you want to review it. Include important details like your FreeCash username, your registered email with the account when the account was frozen, that you follow the rules and want help. Be polite and honest in your message. Do not spam or send multiple tickets. After submitting the ticket, wait patiently. Support replies usually take few times. While waiting, make sure you follow FreeCash rules. Do not use VPNs. Do not create multiple accounts. Do not try to bypass restrictions. And that's it. That's how you unfreeze a FreeCash account using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.